All right, guys, if you want to lose these, or this, I'll tell you exactly what to do. It's all about doing this. If you are starting a weight loss journey and not logging your food, you're not going to be successful. It's not about counting calories. It's not about tracking macros. You don't need a degree in mathematics in order to lose weight. It's about intermittent fasting and having 3 meals in an 8-hour window. Now, logging those meals are going to help keep you on track. In fact, people who log their food have about 60% better success rate than those that don't. And if you join the approach and download our app, we assign you a health coach to keep you accountable every step of the way. They're gonna make sure you're doing the right things, they're gonna keep you on track, offer suggestions when needed, and of course, share all their love and support with you. Now, you certainly don't need an app or a health coach. You could pick up one of these and log your food every day. But obviously, there's no people inside of this telling you what to do. But if you're ready to start losing weight and you're looking for a little love and support, download the app, start logging your food, and lose up to 5 pounds each and every week.